Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss patent as an examination December 2008 paper 1. So question number 1 is define the following terms. Question number 1A, new invention. Kindly see section 2(1)(L). Next question is 2B, person interested. Kindly see section 2 clause 1 subclause T. International application. Kindly see section 2 clause 1 subclause IA. Pharmaceutical substance. Kindly see section 2 clause 1 subclause TA. Legal representative. Kindly see 2(1)K. Invention. 2(1)J. capable of industrial application. 2(1)AC. Next question is fill in the blanks. Question number 2A, every appeal to appellate board shall be made within 3 months from the date of decision of the controller. This is given in section 117A, that is 117A clause 4. India joined Paris Convention on 7th of December 1998. This is very important question. The Patent Act 1970 has been amended 5 times. This has been given in the Patent Act itself. Question number 2D, national phase application under PCT shall be filed before 31 months from the priority date. Kindly see rule 20 clause 4. Reference to the deposit of biological material in the specification shall be made within 3 months from the date of filing of the application. This is given in rule 13 clause B. For question number C3, kindly see the fee structure that is given in the first schedule. Question number 4, give a good words. The person who is a joint inventor, that is known as co-owner. Kindly see section 50. B, a license to exclude all other person including the patentee. Exclusive license. Kindly see section 2(1)(F). An article in respect of which a patent is enforced. Grant of patent. An application for patent made under the Patent Cooperation Treaty. International application. Kindly see section 2(1)(IA). Specification which describe the nature of the invention. Brief description. Part of the specification which define the scope of the invention. Field of invention. Part of the application which provide technical information on the invention. Statement of the invention. Application received under section 5(2) is this section has been repealed or deleted. The person who grants the patent, controller. The license granted by the controller, compulsory license. Question number 5, short notes. First is IPAB for appellate board. Kindly see section 116. Divisional application. Kindly see section 16. Unity of invention is deleted or repealed. Right of the patent agent. Kindly see section 127. Rights of the co-owner of patent. Kindly see section 50. Non-patentable invention. This is given in section 3. Question number 6. Discuss in details. Enumerate the provision relating to the compulsory license for export of patented pharmaceutical products. Kindly see section 92A. State and explain any 5 grounds. Post-grant opposition. Kindly see section 25. Who can give a notice to the post-grant opposition? Any person. This is also given in section 25 clause 2. Grant of patent is subject to certain conditions explained. Kindly see section 47. What are the acts which are not considered as infringement? Kindly see section 107A. Whether it is necessary for the patentee to work in the invention in the territory of India? Answer is yes. Who can make an application for the grant of compulsory license and when? Any person can make an application. Explain the situation when the reasonable requirement of the public is deemed not to have been satisfied. Kindly see section 84 for all the 3 grounds of compulsory license. Question number 6E. Your client failed to pay the renewal fee within the prescribed time. Advise him about the remedies available under the Act. Kindly see section 60. The time period is within 18 months. It has to be renewed. What is the procedure for the restoration of the lapsed patent? Kindly see section 61 for the application for the restoration of lapsed patent. What are the rights of the patentees of a lapsed patent on its restoration? This is given in section 62. Last question is 6F. Explain the procedure for filing to disposal relating to pre-grant opposition. Kindly see section 25 and rule 55 to 66 so that you can understand and in details. That's the end of paper 2008 December. I hope you like it. Kindly like, subscribe and comment.